Hello, I'm Bart Taylor.
And I'm Matt Arndt.
An important part of safe RV ownership is maintaining the torque of the wheel lug nuts. In today's RV Pro Tip episode, we will discuss the why, how, and when.
Let's start with why. To take every precaution to avoid something like this from happening. It's important to understand the overall size, weight, and center of gravity of an RV. Combined, all of this subjects the wheels to different pressures that are unique to an RV and are much different than those of a car.
As a manufacturer, while we torque the lug nuts at least 3 times prior to the RV leaving the factory, it is the owner's responsibility to make certain they are tight and properly torqued. This is a function that is required periodically as part of normal maintenance or subsequent to any wheel removal and reinstallation during the lifespan of the RV.
Hey Bart, you own a rig. How many years you been camping?
Matt, I've been camping for well over 20 years.
And you torque your lugs every time you go out?
Yes, actually I do. Before each trip I check the torque on my wheels.
Nice. Okay, we understand why, so let's move on to how. You will need the proper tools. Start with a torque wrench that reads foot-pounds, and you have the correct size socket for your lug nut application. Do not use a 4-way or any other wrench that doesn't actually measure how many foot-pounds of pressure is being applied to the lug nut. Warning, too much torque can damage the lug nut and stud, leading to wheel separation.
Let's get started on the how. We are using an adjustable click type torque wrench. First, unlock the handle and set the dial to your desired torque value. Second, lock the handle back in place. Third, with the socket secure on the lug nut, with one hand support the head of the wrench, with the other hand apply clockwise pressure. When the torque reaches the desired value, the wrench will make an audible click signaling you to stop applying further pressure. Further pressure could result in over-torquing the lug nut stud and causing damage.
Now that we know how, let's talk about when. First, as outlined in Chapter 4 of your Keystone Owner's Manual, you should check your lug nut torque before every trip. This is also recommended by your axle wheel manufacturers. Safety first, torque before each and every trip.
When checking lug nut torque, it is very important to follow the appropriate star pattern to assure even torque is applied across all lug nuts. Second, anytime a wheel is removed from the axle hub, it must be reinstalled, carefully following the 2-step process described in the Keystone Owner's Manual, Chapter 4.
We hope this RV Pro Tip video has been helpful, especially for some of you first-time campers or even the forever RVers who need a reminder. All of this information described is also found in your Owner's Manual, Chapter 4, Tires, Axles, and Weights.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. For more RV Pro Tips, or visit us at KeystoneRV.com. We look forward to your suggestions to camp better.